Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Everand app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Everand and we click here. In this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your